In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see likes on Twitter. Even though the platform is now called X, most of us still say Twitter out of habit, so I'll use both names as we go. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find all the posts you've liked so you can revisit them anytime. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to the X homepage. If you're not already signed in, log into your account with your usual details. Once you've done that, you'll land on what's called your X Home dashboard. This is the main feed where you see posts from people you follow, recommended content, and trending topics. Take a second to make sure you're on this page, because all the navigation we need will be right here. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. This is your main navigation bar on X. It usually includes options like Home, Explore, Notifications, Messages, and more. Among these options, look for the one labeled Profile. The icon is typically a person-shaped silhouette or your own profile picture, depending on the current design. Go ahead and click on Profile. When you open your profile, you'll be taken to a page that shows your personal timeline. Here you can see your header image, your profile picture, your bio, and several tabs underneath your profile details. These tabs usually include sections like Posts, Replies, Media, and Likes. This row of tabs lets you filter what you see on your own profile. To see the post you've liked, look for the tab labeled Likes. It's usually one of the options near the right side of that tab row. Click on Likes, and the page will refresh to show a list of all the posts you've previously liked with your account. Now you're viewing your likes. You can scroll through this list to revisit interesting posts, threads, videos, or images that you've saved simply by liking them. This is a handy way to use your likes almost like bookmarks. If you want to unlike something, you can do that directly from this page by clicking the like icon again on any post. And that's all you need to do. Go to your home dashboard, open your profile from the left-hand menu, then select the Likes tab to see everything you've liked on Twitter or X.